You guys, I wanted to come and show you one of the absolute best keto ranch dressing recipes that you're probably ever going to try. Let me just tell you, if you are keto, you want to try this dressing. It's great for dips, it's great for salads, a little bit of everything. And this is all homemade, you guys. Let me just tell you, once you try this dressing, you will not buy another bottle of ranch dressing ever. Not only will you never buy another bottle of ranch dressing, it's so simple to make. You guys, as you can see, this made a large amount of ranch dressing, an extremely large amount of ranch dressing. And you can put this in a mason jar and it'll keep for a very long time, okay? Well, I'm not going to say a very long time. I'll say for about a week or two, okay? All that goes in this ranch dressing is you're going to need some real mayo, okay? Real mayo. You're also going to need some heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. Sour cream. Garlic powder. You're going to need some chives, dried chives. Onion powder, garlic powder, dill, use the dill weed, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, okay? Let me just give you guys a quick rundown on how to make this. It is so simple. All you're going to do, I personally, because I need it a lot, because I'm going to be eating a lot of salads over the next couple of days, I use this entire bottle of mayonnaise. Get the full fat mayonnaise, and as you can see, as far as carbs and everything on the back, it has 0 carbs, 0 sugar. So you definitely want to pick up the real mayonnaise. Now, the heavy whipping cream. I don't have an exact measurement for the heavy whipping cream. Reason being is because you're going to just add just enough to get it to the creamy consistency that you like. Okay. Now, as far as the sour cream, I used about a cup of sour cream. Garlic powder, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I actually went a little heavy-handed on chives because I like the flavor of chives. So I used about a heaping teaspoon of that. About a half a tablespoon of the onion powder. I did a heaping tablespoon of the dill because I like the flavor of dill. Just a few shakes of the black pepper and a little bit more than a pinch of salt. You put all of that into a bowl. You do not need a blender. If you have a blender, it'll make it a little bit more creamy for you. You just add everything into the bowl and stir it up really, really good. After you stir it up really, really good, all you're going to use is a half of, I didn't even really use all of this lemon. I just used the very smallest amount of this lemon juice and just squirt a little bit into there just to give it a little bit of a tangy flavor. And let me just tell you guys, this is some of the best ranch dressing that you will ever taste. You will never buy another bottle of ranch once you try this recipe. I'm telling you guys, it is so absolutely delicious. I cannot wait until I have my salad later on. I'm actually doing OMAD today. I'm having 1 meal a day. I'm going to have a big, gigantic salad around 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. And this is going to be excellent on my salad. I'm really, really craving some leafy greens right now. I'm going to have some spinach, a little bit of, girl, can we eat romaine yet? Y'all know they had a recall on the romaine. Girl, I do got some romaine. And I'm going to have that with a little bit of bacon, just a little bit of chicken, some cheese, and this ranch dressing, and it's going to be amazing. I might put a little bit of cucumber on it. I'm not exactly sure yet. But try this ranch dressing, you guys. Again, a little bit of lemon juice, real mayonnaise, heavy whipping cream, sour cream, garlic powder, chives, onion powder, dill, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, and it's going to make this amazing ranch dressing. I really just eyeballed this, you guys, but I used the whole bottle of this 12-ounce real mayonnaise right here. Have a cup of the sour cream and just added the ingredients to taste. Try this out and let me know how you like it in the comment section down below. And did I say, yesterday I weighed myself. I did not weigh myself today. However, yesterday I was down 4 pounds. That's 4 pounds in 2 days, you guys. I'm probably down another pound or 2 today. I feel absolutely amazing. This keto is going to really, 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 really change my life. I'm super excited. I already feel 1,000 times better. So yes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a glass jar, seal it really, really good. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill, because you want it to chill for a couple of hours before you use it, just so the flavors can really, really meld together. Try it out and let me know how you like it. I'll see you later. Bye.